Imagine earning 12% more salary while working in the UK legally or studying in Europe where your Indian degree is instantly recognized. Sounds unreal, right? Let's start with the UK-India Trade Deal 2025. We at Kalinga Euro decoded every page of this agreement so you don't have to. Because this isn't just politics, it's a life-changing opportunity for students, professionals, and entrepreneurs like us. If India and the UK signed a comprehensive free trade agreement, the UK's biggest deal since Brexit and India's most ambitious European partnership ever, the early movers always win. Ready to take action? At Kalinga Euro, our mission is simple: turn complex global policies into simple career pathways for Indian students and professionals. In July 2025, India and the UK signed a comprehensive free trade agreement, the UK's biggest deal since Brexit and India's most ambitious European partnership ever. It still needs final ratification, but the framework is ready and implementations has begun. This deal isn't just about trade, it's about creating new pathways for education, jobs, and mobility between our two countries. Want the full scope? Check this out. Under this deal, the UK will remove tariffs on 99% of Indian export, from textile and leather to engineering and marine products. India will cut duties on nearly 90% of UK goods, car, medical devices, food items. The UK government projects trade to grow by £25 billion a year, adding around £4.8 billion to UK GDP. For India, this means more exports and new jobs in manufacturing and tech. When our exports grow, our students and professionals gain better career opportunities both in India and abroad. Dive deeper into the numbers. Now comes the clause most people don't know about, the Double Contributions Convention. Earlier, if an Indian employee was sent to the UK, they paid social security in both countries. Under this new rule, they can avoid double payment for up to 3 years, saving about 12% of their income. Employers save too. That means more take-home pay for us and lower cost for companies. It's real practical benefits that starts the moment this agreement kicks in. For students, this deal brings hope and clarity. It includes mutual recognition of qualifications, so degree from India and the UK can be accepted more easily. It also encourages joint programs in UK campuses in India, making world-class education more affordable. For Indian students already in the UK, expect stronger university-industry partnership and smoother internship routes that can lead to temporary professional roles. While visa rules still apply, this deal creates a bridge for career growth and knowledge exchange like never before. Curious about student benefits? Explore more. Of course, we must be honest, not everything changes overnight. UK visa policies remain independent. Some industries in Britain fear competition from India, but as the implementation unfolds, this agreement will open legal doors for students and professionals to work and earn in Europe's most influential market. Get the real talk on challenges. Here's our plan of action as a community. Students, choose countries in AI, healthcare, sustainability, and engineering where the UK is opening new collaboration with India. Professionals, plan short-term assignments under 3 years to gain from the DCC benefits and save money. Entrepreneurs and exporters, map your products to the new tariff lines and build supply chain links now before competitions catches up. The early movers always win. Ready to take action? Start here. At Kalinga Euro, our mission is simple: turn complex global policies into simple career pathways for Indian students and professionals. This UK-India deal is not just a document, it's a new era of possibilities. Comment your city and goal below. We will share the official UK and India FTA resources that fit your dream, because when India grows globally, we grow together.